Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup product spreadsheets using Airtable backup strategies, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Airtable account. Open the workspace containing the product spreadsheets you wish to backup. Identify the specific base where your product data is located. Click on the base to open it. Explore the tables within the base to find the spreadsheets you want to backup. Firstly, utilize Airtable's built-in export feature. Select a table by clicking on its name. Navigate to the View menu in the top left corner. Choose the Download CSV option from the drop-down. This will download the current table as a CSV file to your computer. Repeat this process for each table that contains important product data. Next, consider using Airtable's snapshot feature for additional backups. Go to the History tab in the base. Click on Create a Snapshot to capture the current state of your data. This allows you to revert to this state if necessary. For ongoing backups, explore using a third-party integration tool. Popular options include Zapier and Integromat. Set up a workflow to automatically transfer data from Airtable to another storage solution. Cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox can serve as effective backup locations. You can also automate CSV exports to your email or preferred file storage. Another strategy is to duplicate the entire base within Airtable. Click on the three dots next to the base name. Select Duplicate Base to create a complete copy for safekeeping. Finally, regularly schedule these backup processes to ensure data safety over time. Consider setting reminders to download new exports or create snapshots every week or month. By following these strategies, your product spreadsheets in Airtable will be securely backed up and easily retrievable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.